When it comes to making an engineering change to a train, the stakes just couldn't be higher. Every single step, from the initial proposal to the final sign-off, has to be meticulously managed to guarantee safety. But for a long time, the process for doing this has been, frankly, stuck in the past.
So here is what we're going to cover. First, we'll look at the risks of the old, paper-based way of doing things. Then, we'll explore the digital workflow that's replacing it, break down the significant benefits, and see why it's now being recognized as the new industry standard. All right, so what exactly is the problem with the traditional approach? Well, it really boils down to two things that you absolutely cannot afford in the rail industry: unnecessary complexity and unacceptable risk. Relying on paper trails and manual sign-offs just can't keep pace. In the high-stakes world of railway engineering, this kind of old-fashioned approach doesn't just slow things down, it actively introduces serious operational risks. And when you dig in, these inefficiencies are incredibly specific and damaging. We're talking about long delays just waiting for paper packets to be routed for approval. There's constant confusion over which document is the latest version. And, most critically, you get dangerous gaps in the audit trail. The bottom line is, nobody has real-time visibility, and the administrative burden is just massive. Okay, so if the paper-based system is broken, what's the fix? The answer is a digital workflow that's been built from the ground up to provide structure, security, and total visibility over the entire process. Let's take a closer look. This is what we mean by digital change management. At its core, it's a system designed to completely replace the old manual process. What you get instead is a single, streamlined digital workflow that's compliant, completely traceable, and secure. The digital process is rigorously structured. It all starts with a digital change request. That's followed by a systematic impact assessment. Then, the request is automatically routed to the correct technical authorities for approval. Throughout implementation, progress is tracked in real time, and the process concludes with a digital capture of all the verification evidence for final validation.
Now, this new workflow isn't just a theory. It delivers real, measurable benefits that directly impact both performance and safety. And when we look at the numbers, this is where it gets really interesting. Here's the headline number: a reduction in engineering change processing time of up to 70%. That's not a small improvement, it's a complete transformation of a critical business function.
And the benefits go far beyond just speed. Safety's improved thanks to rock-solid audit trails. Efficiency soars as those manual delays just disappear. And for the first time, managers have total visibility to spot bottlenecks, which improves quality and reduces errors across the board. You know, when you generate results like these, the industry tends to take notice. And that's exactly what's happened here, with this solution earning some major recognition for its impact. In fact, this platform was named a regional winner in a prestigious 2025 European Railway Innovation Initiative. That's a very clear signal of its impact on solving these core operational challenges. To underscore its significance, a director from a national railway industry body put it perfectly, saying the technology demonstrates how digital transformation can deliver tangible operational benefits. You really can't get a much clearer validation than that. All of this leads to one crucial question that every railway operator should be asking themselves. As the industry continues to push forward, is your engineering change process truly prepared for the future?